Britain is planning to invest up to $162 million developing 3 directed energy weapon demonstrators, including one aimed at killing drones, the Ministry of Defense has announced. The Ministry of Defense said it had notified industry this week, in what is called a prior information notice, of its intention to procure 2 laser-based demonstrators and a radio frequency weapon to explore the potential of the technology and accelerate its introduction onto the battlefield. The British look to start the procurement process later this year and hope to have the new systems ready for trials in 2023. The British already have a laser-based technology development effort underway. A £30 million technology demonstrator program known as Dragonfire was awarded to an industry consortium in 2017. The new program will include 2 high-energy laser demonstrators. One on board a ship for air and surface defense applications and a similar laser mounted on a land vehicle for short-range air defense and counter-surveillance applications. Indian Air Force is eyeing 18 more Sukhoi Su-30 MKI multirole fighters, and 21 MKI and Mig-29 air superiority jets from Russia, to add extra teeth to its arsenal, and tackle the twin threats of Pakistan and China. Indian Air Force already has a sanctioned strength of 272 Su-30 MKI and also operates 69 Mig-29 UPG. Indian Air Force requires 42 squadrons to be effective during a 2-front war with China and Pakistan, but is currently operating with only 31 as it retires the older Mig-21 and Mig-27 aircraft. The additional Su-30 MKI and Mig-29 jets will add 2 more squadrons to the Indian Air Force fighter fleet. Russia's Federal Service for Military Technical Cooperation Deputy Director Vladimir Drazov, on Monday, July 8, said in Moscow that India has placed a request for an additional 18 Su-30 MKI kits, and over 20 modernized MiG-29 aircraft. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited will assemble the Sukhoi twin-jet multirole air superiority fighters, from the kits at its Azhar plant in Maharashtra's Nashik, while the MiG will come in flyaway condition.